freshly out the truck. 911 ST, and right after it, GT3 RS. Wow. And I saw another GT3 RS in there. Let me do my tasks. We have another one. The allocations are crazy. We have a Spyder RS, what it looks like. 718 Spyder RS coming out freshly out the truck. That's probably the thumbnail. And I'll talk about what I do too. Like, okay, like I just got these cars, right? Like, what do you do now? That can be a whole entire video I would love to make. Let me know, guys, in the comment section if that's something you want to see, because it's a lengthy process, you know. This truck driver actually pulled all the way to the back, so it made my job like 10 times easier. Usually we drive him all the way to the back, but he brought the truck here, so thankfully that was very helpful. Guys, let me continue doing my duties. Wow, 2025 Cayenne Turbo E Hybrid Coupe. What a load. It sounds phenomenal too. That's really cool. And last but not least, the Panamera 4. The vehicles that came today. Check this out. You don't really see them often. Having GT3 RS, the GT3 RS, 911 ST, Spyder RS, Turbo Cayenne. Guys, we safely made it back. We're gonna drive up to the shop and we're gonna see if we get confirmation to be able to unwrap these vehicles inside the shop. Normally, I don't mind doing them outside. Like, as a matter of fact, I do 99% of the time I unwrap them outside, hot or cold. Right now, though, I really want to unwrap them inside because they're expensive cars, like really expensive cars, and yeah, man, we don't want to unwrap them outside, you know. So let's see. Let's go talk to the shop foreman. Let's see what he has to say. Maybe there's space, maybe there isn't. We'll see. We got the green light. 911 ST. Here we have it. Let's unwrap it. That's car number one. Let's keep going. Here we have the first GT3 RS of the fleet. Let's unreveal it. There we have it, guys. First GT3 RS of the truck. The last GT3 of the truck. Next up, Spyder RS. Here we have the 718 Spyder RS. Let's unwrap it. You just like I said. And there we have it, guys. That was really draining. However, we got it done. Got the most important thing going. Now tomorrow they're gonna be written up. We're gonna be able to go through the PDI process with those vehicles and have them in the showroom floor, hopefully at least by, I want to say Friday, at least have one, at least. Stay tuned.